This week, the Supreme Court threw out a huge employment discrimination class action lawsuit against the retail giant Walmart. As many as 1.5 million women had sought billions of dollars because they claimed Walmart's policies had led to discriminatory decisions over pay and promotions based on gender. The court ruled 5-4 that the suit did not satisfy a class action requirement that, quote, there are questions of law or fact common to the class. Now, do you know what that means? It means that even if Walmart was discriminating against all of these women, the company was so big that the women worked in so many different places and hence could not be considered one group that could sue together. Well, as Lilo Shapiro put it on Huffington Post, Walmart was too big to sue. Of course, it was the court's 5 conservative justices that ruled in favor of the giant corporation. But it's important to point out that the court did not decide if Walmart had actually discriminated against the women. They just decided that the women could not proceed in the class action suit. This is in some ways worse because the court's decision will almost certainly affect other class action suits. The decision has tightened the definition of what defines a class action suit. Now, do you get why that's important? Because how in the world are you going to find a lawyer to represent you against a huge corporation if you're just by yourself? It won't be worth the money the lawyers would spend arguing the case. So by not allowing workers to sue together for a common problem, the court has become the guardian of multinational corporations. They have made the powerful even more powerful and have stripped away what little protections the average man or woman had. This corporate-owned Supreme Court has never seen a giant corporation it didn't want to help more or an average American it didn't want to crush. They handed these companies the ability to buy our politicians through Citizens United. Now they've given them the ability to discriminate against their employees without any recourse. The 5 conservative justices on the court might as well work for corporate America, but then ironically, they would have less rights than they do now.